So today in this session, we will cover the design pattern. So what is the importance of the design pattern and how many type of design pattern we have. So we will try to cover the basic things why this is required. We know that any of the developer who are coming from any of the background like Java, .NET, Python, any of the background, so he should be aware about the design pattern. I hope the many of the people are heard about the Gang of Four, GOF. So what is the Gang of Four? So these are the four author who actually written this design pattern, and they also written why this is required. So the objective of this design pattern is program to an interface, not an implementation. The second one is the favor object composition over interface. So these are the two lines they have to mention in their design pattern. So coming on to the definition side, so what is the definition for this one? So in engineering, a software design pattern is generally reusable solution to a commonly occurring problem within a given context in software design. It is not a finished design that can be transformed directly into source or machine code. So here we are talking about some of the problem into the pictorial view. There we can see like how we can resolve the things and all, but actually we need to write the code to understand that pictorial things into the coding format based on our expertise like in .NET or in the Java or the other language. So this is the mean of the design pattern. So this design pattern actually written with lot of R&D so that we can overcome the problem which we will face for the big project and all. So coming on to the use of design pattern, first is the speed up of the development process because it providing the testing proven development. The second one is the helping to prevent subtle issue that can cause major problem. The third one is improve code readability for the coder and the architect because the both are the very familiar with the design pattern. And as a architect or as a coder, you should be aware about the design pattern. Now the type of the pattern. So the type of the pattern is creational, structural, and the behavior. What is the creational design pattern? So these design pattern provide a way to create object while hiding the creational logic rather than initiating object directly with the new keyword. So it basically provide the abstraction like how to create the object and all. Now coming on to the type of creational based design pattern. So here I written these four: factory, abstract factory, prototype, and singleton. So here I am, there is a many more creational based design pattern, but I am writing this based on our interview perspective. So whenever whatever the commonly asked pattern we will try to cover here. Structural design pattern. So this design pattern concern class and the object composition. Concept of inheritance is used to compose interface and define way to compose object to obtain the new functionality. Now coming on to the type wise, so these have the adapter, decorator, facade, proxy. I believe proxy and facade will be used by many of the developer in their journal life also. Coming on to the behavioral design, so these design patterns are specifically concerned with the communication between the object. So the most commonly asked design pattern into the behavioral is the iterator, momento, null object, observer, strategy, and the visitor. And observer, everyone aware like into the front end side, we also using the observer pattern as a RX library and all. So thank you for this much of information which I given to you. So we'll meet all the pattern with one by one with the full detail with the practical example. So thank you so much. Thank you for listening this one. We'll meet again into the another video. Bye.